In this video, you will learn how to return a Savana product. Request your return within 10 days. Contact customer support via the email to notify them that you want to return your order within 10 days of the delivery. Provide your order details and then return reason. This can include your order number, items, photo evidence and the reason for your return as requested. Wait for the return pickup confirmation. Savana will arrange the pickup from your address, usually within a couple of days after your request. Return the product in original condition. Ensure the item is unused, with tags or packing intact. Otherwise, the return will be rejected. Savana receives and processes the return. Once the warehouse receives your item, they will inspect it, then begin processing your refund. Receive a refund for original payment method. Refunds are usually issued at the back of your original payment method within a few business days. Now you know how to return Savana products. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.